Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 2x squared plus 3. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x squared, you got about 2x. And we put the x because we don't have number 4 in here. Number 2 with number 2, you got about 4. So we need to divide both sides by number 4. This one we change by u. The s we change by the u over number 4. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. You got about u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. So for this one, you got about u to the power of 1 over 3 plus 1 over 1 over 3 plus 1, and we put about c. This one you got about 4 over 3. This one you got about 4 over 3. So about u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.